Of course, we can open up some Disney doorables. I have series 10 here. We've got 2 mini peeks, so let's open them up together. First one is box code E126. First up, we've got Francis from Oliver and Company. Then we've got Miss Snow White. Next box is code E062. We've got Miss Eve. Last but not least, we've got Mr. Stitch, and he is a special edition figure. I love the blue and silver together. He is just adorable. You guys, these were 2 great mini peeks because none of these were duplicate, and that always makes for a good day.